Good day, ma'am, sir. I am Angelina Pueyo Piscasiosa. I'm 38 years old. I am married. I have a three daughter, age is 11 years old, 16 years old, and 18 years old. I am graduating college vocational course associate in child care. I have experienced domestic helper in Malaysia for 1 year. I serve a family of five, one couple, and three children. Age is 2 years old, 3 years old, and 4 years old. My duties are take care of the children, marketing, cooking, cleaning the house, ironing, wash clothes, gardening, and wash car. And also, they have experience made in the Philippines for 2 years. I serve the family of four, one couple, and two children. Age is one newborn and 5-year-old. My duties are take care of the children, ironing, wash clothes, marketing, and cooking. For my personality, I am honest, hardworking, loving, as myself as a mother. I understand about the kid, and I will assure you I will take care of them and love as my own kid. To my future employer, please select me as a helper because I am honest, hardworking, and trustworthy. Thank you, ma'am, sir.